Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, and then thank you to my subscribers for staying through with me. Okay, so today, do you know that you can make a lot of money by just uploading motivational quotes using AI? Lots of people are doing this and are making money. Their videos are going viral and are making money. Now you too can start your own content by creating motivational quotes using AI. First, come to ChatGPT and then write out these quotes to ChatGPT. Here, you're going to write create 7 creative and popular Chinese motivational quotes. It depends on the kind of quotes you want, right? But for this video, I'm going to be creating Chinese motivational quotes, and then you will see. And ChatGPT has given us this quote. Now, before we proceed, I'm going to go to my Google search. Here, I'm going to be generating the image you're going to be using, right? So, to generate our image, we're going to be using image fx, all right? So, of course, you need to sign in with your email and all of that, and this is free. It's for free. So now here we're going to be writing out the prompts here. So just watch out for the prompt I'm going to be using. Okay, so that's we're generating an image that's going to be saying the quote, right? So full image of an old Chinese wise man looking at the camera, high quality. So this is what image effect generated for me, and I'm going to be downloading one of these videos. Okay, sorry, image, one of this image, sorry. So now I went to my Canva. Now you will see what I'm going to be doing on Canva. Here I want to edit it here on Canva, and then okay, I put it on 16:9 because it's for YouTube. Then I want to change the background to black. I want to be using a black background here on Canva. Let's see. So later on, I had to go and look for a background instead of just using a plain black background. So now I'm going to be going to my gallery. Okay, not gallery. I went to elements and then I'm going to search for black background. Just search for black background. So let's see what Canva is going to give us. I'm going to choose one of the black background. Okay, so go to your element. You see your element there, down there, tap on it and then go to the search bar and search for black background. So now this is the black background I want. So you can see that the image is no longer there, the image of the Chinese man. So I have to go to position to make it come forward. You get? So now it's forward and then this is how it is, and I'm going to be saving this. So having this, right, this man is going to be saying the quotes. Okay, he's going to be saying this quote. So now I'm going to save this up and then we're going to move on to the next AI we're going to be using. Okay, so now I need to generate my speech, right? I need it to say something. So I'm going to go to 11 labs and then write out the quotes that I want. Start now, no matter how far the destination. Don't fear moving slowly and all of that. So now from that quote that we generated from ChatGPT, that was what I got and brought it here to 11 labs, text to speech, so that he can be saying it. Okay. So I'm going to be using one of these I'm going to be using grandpa sports because it's going to be an old a voice that is deep because it's an old man talking, giving out the motivational quotes, right? So that's what I did, and then this is what we're going to be doing, and you should start talking. So after that, I'm going to be moving to the next one. So remember, you got your quote from ChatGPT and you came here to turn it to a speech, right? Okay. So now we're going to be going to Gooey AI, Gooey AI, Gooey AI. I don't really know how to say it, but now we're going to tap in on that lip sync AI. Okay. So lip sync AI, what this is going to do for you is it's going to lip sync that speech that you've got, right? So I'm going to go to edit and then I'll go to my device, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be getting the picture, that picture we got for Canva that we downloaded first, and then the next one is input audio. So the speech, that text to speech that we got at 11 labs, we're going to input that and then we're going to run it on.
No matter how far the destination, don't fear.
All right, so now I'm going to go to my InShot. This InShot, I'm going to be editing my work here on InShot. Okay, so let's just dive right in. So at this side of the looking at it, we go to Canvas. We need to go to Canvas. Canvas is close to audio. Go to Canvas and change it to 16 by 9 instead of 9 by 16. So this is 16 by 9, right? So I'm going to be adding this, how to add your video, that plus sign there. You can add your video that you want to add. Do you get? So now,
Start now, no matter how far the destination. Don't fear moving slowly, only fear standing.
so this is him talking, and then I want to generate a caption. You can either generate caption, just go to text, go to caption to generate it by watching an ad, because this is the free version. Okay, to unlock it, to unlock the free version of using caption, you need to watch an ad. Okay, and they're going to take a while to see the caption is loading, and then we have the caption. All right, now what I want is that this caption should be showing on the where the man is talking, on that screen, right? So now I'm just going to be adjusting this caption so that you can really see how I want it to look like. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. So this is really, really simple and easy to do, so that when he's saying something, it will be showing up. Do you understand? As he's talking, can you see what's going on? Start now, no matter how far destination. So I'm just going to be arranging this, and this is it. Okay, this is it. So do not forget to subscribe. If you've reached up to this point, please subscribe, please and please subscribe. Okay, so this is me just editing it. Go to export now. Once you are done, go to export and just export your work, and it will be.
Start now, no matter how far the destination. Don't fear moving slowly, only fear standing still. Progress, however small, is better than stagnation.